So, a greeting by Muhammad Saqib, and welcome to my education channel, Education Hub. That is the name of my channel. And today our topic is analog data and digital data. Further, we discuss about transmission medium and also um, digital signals and many other topics. So here is Mr. Zaman Ali, lecturer CSS and plus IT. So that is the topic of information technology. Um, so we try to understand you this topic, and let's go to the video and let's go to the topic. So analog data. What is analog data? Analog data such as the sound made by human voice taken continuous value when someone speak an analog we have wave is created in the air. This can be captured by a microphone or converted to an analog signals and sampled and covered converted to a digital signals. So the data in analog signal does not work, so we can convert in digital data, digital signal, sorry. And now we will discuss digital data. Digital data take on a discrete value which is one or zero. For example, data are stored in a computer memory in a form of 0 or 1. They can be converted to a digital signal or a modulated into an analog signal for a transmission across a medium. So here for the definition of digital data. So data can be analog and or a digital. Analog data are a continuous and take continuous values. Digital data have discrete state and take discrete values. Now we will discuss analog and digital signals. Um, okay, so analog signal. What is analog signal? An analog signal has a infinity many levels of intensity over a period of a time. As the wave moves from A to B, it passes through and includes an infinite number of values along its path. So that is the analog signal. Now we'll discuss about digital signals. So a digital signal on the other hand can have only a limited number of defined values. Although each value can be any number, it is often as simple as a 1 or 0. The simplest way to show signals is by plotting them on a pair of a perpendicular axes. The signal can be a long or a digital. Analog signal can have an infinite number of values in a range. Digital signals can have only a limited number of values. Okay. Vertical axis represented the value of a strength or signal. So this is our topic today. We discuss about digital data, analog data, and analog signal and digital signals. Hope you will be understand and remember it and learn it. So we will end of this video. So before end of video, I a humble request to my viewers, please subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends, and also like my videos. And so important thing is that if you don't understand anything, so you will be asked in comment sections, rather than I provide my WhatsApp number, so you can contact me with my WhatsApp number. And also you are very thankful to you if you subscribe my channel. So in the next video I discuss more about a transmission medium and a computer network. So at this time, goodbye.